All right, let's take a little ride here in a kind of a rare one, a 1965 Dodge Dart GT.
GT?
Yeah, it's convertible. See, look at that sky out there.
Yeah, look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah, this one's got a 273 Commando engine, you know, and it's got
fresh rebuild. I think it's got less than 1,000 miles on it too, actually.
Oh yeah, and it's, you know, it's got electronic ignition, performance cam, AFB carburetor. So it's got a few goodies on there. It's got a rebuilt tranny, the 904.
3-speed automatic.
Yep.
It's a total cruiser.
Oh yeah.
It's got disc brakes too. It stops really well.
Yep. No, it drives pretty good. Got a newer top on it, power top, which is nice. And you'll see on the outside in a few minutes, it's got some nice looking wheels on there, some 17-inch XXRs.
Decent paint too. Is this a Toyota color, I think?
Yeah,
or?
Toyota color. We're calling it, you know, like a gunmetal gray there. You know, but it's
what it looks like.
Yeah, it looks good.
Got all these gauges, got a tachometer, and
yeah,
these aftermarket gauges.
Yeah, I got some little auxiliary gauges there. Got that tach sitting over there. Upholstery looks pretty good.
Try not to get T-boned.
Yeah, try not to die. That's a good one. All right.
Woohoo! Man. That's good. Got a power top too. Power top and buckets with the little shifter on the floor. That's factory, which is kind of neat for a Dart GT.
Yeah.
I think it was a 6-banger though.
Yeah, it was a 6-banger GT, but now it's you know, it's got
GT.
I think it's got a little mini tub in the back, like I think like 3-inch.
Oh yeah, spring relocation kit. So it's not, it doesn't look like a race car, but it just gives more room for more wheel because these things had no room back there for tire.
Exactly, and it's got 17 inches on there now, so I mean, you had to do something. But it looks great. Yeah, you'll see some more pictures of it as we come up to our spot. All right, let's check out this 65 Dodge Dart GT. I think this one started out as a 6-cylinder model, and now it's got a 273 Commando engine in it. Got a few, you know, like performance goodies, like cam and carburetor, stuff like that. It's got aluminum radiator. Hooked up to a rebuilt 904 tranny with a new torque converter. And it's got subframe connectors, got a little bit of a mini tub in the back, like a 2 or 3 incher. You know, it's just enough to fit these 17-inch XXR wheels in. But it's a really nice looking car. You don't see a lot of these. You know, in fact, I haven't seen one in years, but this one's done up real nice. It's a Toyota color, gunmetal gray. But you know, sometimes it's nice to have something that not everybody else has, you know. It's got front disc brakes. They work really good. So I'm going to show you the interior here. Power top. Top's new. A new boot on it. Looks fantastic. And you got your auxiliary gauges down here. Got your tach up here. And then you got factory console, floor shift. Pretty nice little car. Yeah, the paint looks really good on it too. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the engine and start her up for you. All right, here's the power plant here on the Dodge Dart GT 273 and rebuilt. It's got power steering. It's got front disc brakes, and it's got a big 4-barrel on there. Nice Edelbrock. Runs pretty good. It's got the nice aluminum radiator, little cooler down there for the tranny, and electric fan. So pretty good shape. You can see way down there, you can see it's got this huge front sway bar, and I know it's got subframe connectors and, you know, a spring relocation kit underneath, so that's pretty good. So let's go ahead and start this up. Yeah, started right up. Sounds really good. I'm going to swing around the back. You can listen to the exhaust. Yeah, I got them both coming out one side there. Not too loud, but shows it's got a little bit of power. So we got this Dodge Dart GT here up California Cars, and we're in Simi Valley, California. 818-591-1313. And you can speak to either me, Gary, or you can speak to Rich over there sitting around in the car, and we'd be more than happy to show you this. It's kind of a rare car, so I mean, like I said, you're not going to see these around. This one is really nice, and nice to bring something, you know, a little unusual to the car show. Thanks for watching.